All right, let's go outside. So today on the Farmstead Chronicles, we are going to be taking care of this little area right here in the front where the septic system is. And we're going to be grading it down a little bit more with the tractor. We're expecting about 3 cubic yards of dirt tomorrow. Let's see if we can spread some of that around. And we're going to replant some grass in this area. Unfortunately, the Troy-built lawn tractor that I purchased a couple of weeks ago came and would not start. So I had that returned. And now I'm just waiting for them to give me my money back. And we'll be going to purchase a John Deere this time from either Home Depot or from the John Deere dealership. Home Depot sells these products, but only has, I guess, a dealer or technicians qualified to work on John Deere's in the area. So my question would be, if you're not able to service the equipment you sell, why would you sell it? That didn't make any sense to me, so I told them to come get their piece of junk, and I'll get a John Deere. Just taking a look at the garden real quick before we crank up the tractor today. Garden's looking pretty good. My daughter came out and watered yesterday. These are my hugelkultur bags. I've gotten them filled with some logs, twigs, dried leaves, and fresh or wood chips. And so pretty much the same wood chips that you see here surrounding the area of the garden. This half of the bed has been taken over by weeds. It's not too bad, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. I'm more focused on what's growing down there. The okra and the eggplants and some kale. This bed still is looking pretty good. Seems like my water has dried up in the container for the frog house. I'll add some more water to that today. Tomatoes are looking good. Parsley, thyme, cilantro, looking good. Beets are looking good. Can't complain. Corn needs some nutrients in the soil, I can tell. We got some squash. Some squash growing over here. See that? Looking pretty good. Keep an eye on that. And I can't complain. The garden's coming along, but we're gonna grow some more stuff, inshallah. So we got some more hugelkultur bags over here. We got about 3 loads of chips over here. So this is what I'll be using. This is one of my trails. So I'll get those logs out of the way from those fallen trees that I cut down. And I'll go back through the trail, clear it out, and start to mulch it. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna use these pallets to create a compost bin area, and we'll see. So we're gonna turn this whole forest eventually into a forest garden. Should be fruit trees, berries, vegetables, flowers, for pollinator, ponds, water features, all over the place, nut trees, and the journey starts. So take that journey with me, follow along, and as I learn, you'll learn. All right, here's a wide view of the property. Talk to you in a second. After I level that out some, I've got to move the tarp down there to an area in front of the house where I want the dump truck to drop that dirt tomorrow. So I'll keep you up to date. Peace.